In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and create your Airtable API key. Airtable is a fantastic tool for organizing information, and accessing its API is essential for those looking to integrate it with other applications or automate tasks. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how you can find and create your Airtable API key easily. To start, you'll need to open up your Airtable homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll want to draw your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. It's the small circle that usually displays your profile picture or initials. Clicking on your profile icon will open up a menu with several options. Among these options, find and click on Builder Hub. This section is where you'll manage all the API-related functionalities of your Airtable account. Once inside the Builder Hub, look for the Personal Access Tokens section. This is a crucial area because it's where you can manage the tokens that give apps access to your Airtable data. Click on Personal Access Tokens, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage existing tokens or create new ones. Since we're going to create a new one, our next step is to click on Create Token. After clicking Create Token, you'll be prompted to name your token. Naming your token is an important step because it helps you keep track of the purpose of a token, as you can have multiple tokens for different uses or projects. Make sure to choose a descriptive name that reflects what you'll be using it for. With your token named, continue to the next part. You'll then be presented with an option to add a scope. Scopes determine the level of access your token provides to your Airtable data. You'll see a variety of options based on the permissions you wish to grant. For this example, let's select Data.Records Read. This choice will allow the token to read records from your tables, perfect for applications that need to access your data without modifying it. Now, you'll need to add resources. If you want your token to have access to all your Airtable sources, click on Add All Resources. Alternatively, if you only want it to have access to a specific base, you can select that option instead. Once you've set everything up according to your needs, proceed by clicking Create Token. A pop-up should appear confirming that your token has been successfully created. It's in this pop-up that you'll find your token displayed. Make sure to copy your token from here, as this may be the only time it's displayed for security reasons. And that's it. You've successfully created an Airtable API token. Remember, keep this token secure and don't share it publicly to maintain your data's security and integrity. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.